Anytime now. And the race on. One slow out. Federer. Conquista boys rushing up. Stop guessing. Happy hour is on the outside. And by the rallies JST. Scott Missile and Federer is running at the tail of the field. Conquista boy by a length and a half, followed by Stop Guessing. JST is running in third by about 4 lengths alongside his Happy Hour. Scott Missile and Federer. Inside the last 600, Conquista boy, Stop Guessing is on the outside. JST is running in third by about 5 lengths. Another far turn. Conquista boy, Stop Guessing is on the outside. And getting closer in third is JST as they race the final corner. Conquista boy by ahead. Stop Guessing is on the outside. JST, Happy Hour, Federer, and Scott Missile. It's still Conquista boy and JST down on the inside. Stop Guessing and Happy Hour. JST by the rail. Conquista boy on the outside. Conquista boy JST. Conquista boy JST. And finally Conquista boy JST. Scott Missile, Happy Hour, Stop Guessing, and Federer.